Nagbi-build po tayo ng relationship dito. Hindi lang pagbenta ng kotse, tapos na. We're here. We are committed to build a relationship. To build a service that is something so personal, something that is honest, dependable, name it. We will be here committed to serve you. We grow together. Let's build this. Let's drive this towards a successful, excellent partnership together.
It is a very good showing that the locator, the owner of the business, leads the prayer. And I'm very sure that God will bless this company together in the city of Santa Rosa.
Jetour is more than just a car brand. We are building a community. We are committed to being part of Santa Rosa's growth story, contributing to its prosperity and becoming a trusted partner for years to come. Jetour model lineup will be available from subcompact, from small SUV up to big or hardcore SUV segment. And we will be introducing the premium segment of Jetour called the G Series. Mabuhay ang Jetour Auto Santa Rosa. Let's celebrate momentous occasion together.